So Mngana uyathanda ukucula. He likes it, loves singing. He wants to be a professional singer as he grows up. Yabo. So ingoma icula isikhathi esiningi they speak to what he is going through at that particular time. So he tells me he doesn't know what love is. He doesn't resonate with love because of all the problems and the traumas he's endured in life. Sekwenza ukuthi abe attached to pain. Uthi pain makes much more sense to him because he's been through so much. Yabo? So before I came to work this morning, ngiyamuzwa Sandra yacula vethu yabo. Cula le ngoma le. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. Come on, KZN 073-709-1991 073-709-1991. Going once, going twice. Can you sing along to this beautiful song here? And can you sing it better than my friend Sandra?
I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. In a heart to taste this holy life. I wanna know what love is. I know you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me.
Morning Mankini, ayingeke kodwa lo friend wakho osaculisa kwakho kangaka mina ngizwe ivoice yakho nje la kulo friend wakho ngeke Mankini uwena lo akena umngane wakho lo cula la uwena Mankini lona ayingeke.
This is my friend Sandra, and I want to cry hearing you sing along to this song here because he really doesn't know what love is. He tells me that he grew up complaining about the way that he was treated by his mother, saying that he never really gotten that love relationship with his parents. And later on, when he got into a romantic relationship with a partner of his, he complained about the same things, not receiving love. And to an extent, we think he might be traumatized by something and it's affecting his entire life. Everything in his life is affected by the fact that he never had a good relationship, a loving relationship with his parents. Oh my God, Sandra. Oh, Sandra. It's not me. Really, it is Sandra. Oh, KZN. Oh, this must be crazy. Sing along.